Hey guys, this is Michael WWS123 here, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Nike Mercurial Superfly 4 size 9, and this is actually the bright mango colorway, and it's part of the Nike. Let me look it up real quick. So it's called the Nike Metal Flash Pack. So yeah, enjoy the unboxing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll be making a review and playtest video on this Nike Superfly 4 bright mango colorway, which is part of the Nike Metal Flash Pack. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Like and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated, and thanks for watching.